Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the screen timeout settings on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel, then tap on the settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap on display. In the display settings, tap on Turn Off After. Choose the amount of seconds you would like your watch screen to turn off after, and then tap the tick. Your watch's screen will now turn off after the amount of seconds you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.